Okay guys, I am surprisingly picking up another chair. I'm at this cute little house. I'm not going to show y'all, but I'm always scared when I do this, so I'm about to call my boyfriend so he can listen while I do this. But they have a driveway, a cute driveway here. Here it is. That's the chair. I'm going to see if I can get that one too, but we'll see. I don't know where she's at, so I'm whispering. But super cute. I love them. I got the blue one for $15 and I got the other one for $20. So, okay, round two. On the way to pick up the second chair. All right, guys, we secured the bag. Ooh, that looks nasty under there. Okay, so we got another chair, but this one was only $10, and it was at this super cute house in Atlanta, and it's a little bit smaller than I thought it was gonna be, and the cushion's kind of not the best. It's kind of sunken in. Here is the chair that I just got. It is super cute. I love the skirt, but it's kind of coming off. I think I might get rid of it. Ooh. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do with this skirt yet, whether I'm going to keep it on or keep it off. It's kind of falling off right here, but I could get my dad's staple gun. But anyway, I'm still going to clean it, so I'm going to do that right now. It's cleaned. This is how much came out. Not too bad, but it also is a smaller chair, so that's why there's less. But it's not really great quality. The springs, the cushion right here, is kind of broken. Like, I really need to replace this. And there's also a button missing right here. I don't know about this chair, honestly, because I mean, it looks really pretty. I think I do like the skirt. But also, there is some right here. It's kind of rugged right here. So I think I might get my dad's staple gun again. Okay guys, I can't decide. So I think I'm going to, ask Instagram on my story. Okay, so I'm gonna ask them. Can't really tell. I'm gonna ask them if I should keep the skirt or if I should take the skirt off. While I wait for that, I think I'm gonna pull in the pink chair and clean that off real good. For this chair, I wasn't gonna take the skirt off of just because of this, but it looks like that I can also rip that off. So I think I'm gonna ask my Instagram too if I should rip that skirt off. Okay, so I just posted for both of those chairs. I did keep the skirt or take it off, and then I asked about this one if I should keep it or take it off. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you should follow me. It's Kelsey.Schneller, and I'll put it right here. So while I wait for the results, I'm going to clean this bad boy because he is disgusting. It's been about 10 minutes, and so far it is 50-50. I don't know if you can see that. It is 50-50 for the brown chair. And then they're pretty much saying, yeah, keep this one, which I think I was planning on keeping that one anyway, but I'm gonna clean this first and then we'll look at the results again. Okay, so I just finished cleaning. I cleaned for about an hour and my hand is cramping so much. But it's the time that y'all all been waiting for. This was nasty. Oh my Gosh, it was almost full. Look at that. Ew, that is so gross. Hey guys, so majority of the people on Instagram picked do not keep the skirt. So I'm kind of sad because I wanted to staple it back together, but it looks like I'm ripping the skirt off. So far, people are saying to keep the skirt on the other one though, which I was planning on doing anyway. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is staple the bottom right under there. So I think I'm gonna keep that.
Yeah, 3 in 1 it takes. Put the staples into the staple gun. There's the correct bracket. Forwards, like that, and follow the same procedure before. Press in and pull it down. Okay. Now, for the T-head nails, they go in the outside slot. There's a little gap.
This is what it ended up looking like. They chose to take the skirt off, so I took the skirt off of it, and I do really like it. Guys, I have to tell you something. So I've been thinking about redoing the brown chair because the cushions need to be redone. It's like I can't even sit in it without worrying it's gonna break. So I've been thinking about redoing it, and my mom came over and this is what happened. April, what did you do? I said, maybe I should redo this chair, and she said, okay, let's go. And then she just ripped it all off.
No, you are the first one to cut it.
You blaming this on me? So this is what it looks like now. I went to Walmart and picked up this $5 saw, and I'm gonna saw the legs off of them just because I don't really have the time, the money, or the energy to redo this chair. We were hoping that the frame was gonna be really good wood, but it's not. So I'm going to saw the legs off because I really love the legs, and the legs are worth more than $10. So I'll be able to use it for something else. Okay, so I just cleaned all this off. I spent an hour cleaning it, and I just took pictures of it, so now I'm going to list it, and they sold it. So I am going to vacuum it without the water real quick, just to make sure it looks nice. So I'm going to take this toothbrush and kind of brush the top of it just to get some more dust out of it. Okay, so let's talk about pricing for the pink chair. I had it listed for $80 since I sold the other two for $80. But when the woman asked if I could deliver, I said that I would deliver with a $20 fee. So I got $100 for it and I only paid $20. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do not forget to like because it really helps me out, and do not forget to subscribe because I have a ton more clips to show you. Someone take my phone away.